Yo, what's up everyone? I'm Jackie YBT, Tech Away, Tech Everything. Welcome back to the channel. And if you hear some noise in the background, I apologize because there's a construction going on right now. In today's video, I'm going to unbox this ESSAGER 5W Apple Watch wireless charging. To be honest, I don't even know this company before I got this. Basically, this is a company who specialize in cables, gadgets. Very similar to Bowser. Just a disclaimer here, I'm not sponsored by either of them, you know, whether Bowser or ESSAGER or ESSAGER or whatever. I can't even pronounce the name. I'm not sure. Yeah, just a disclaimer there. I bought this with my hard-earned cash. Says multiple production, easy to carry, mini. Yeah, pretty mini. And same thing on the side, bottom nothing. On the back, you get some spec, model name, interface. Yeah, it comes with two ports. One is the lightning connector and another one is a Type-C. Input 5 voltage equals 1 ampere and output 5 watt maximum. It comes with gray or silver color option, and material is ABS plus zinc alloy. In terms of reliability and the reputation, very similar to Bowser through my research. Yeah, this is what people say. Alright, I also first time using this, buying things from this company. Yeah. Okay, let's unbox it. Very simple packaging. Seems like yellow is their company color. Okay, brand color. Okay, just one wireless charger, user manual guide. Okay, yada yada. Tons of words. Yeah, you can read it if you want to. Yeah, pause it, whatever. Okay, just take it out. Oh, a bit tough, huh? Why? Why so tough, bruh? Okay, ESSAGER or ESSAGER, you guys have to improve on your packaging. Yeah, a bit too tight. Okay, peel this off. I wanted to get the gray version, just that sold out. This is the white or silver. Okay, let me do one more time. Yeah, silver. Okay, feels good. Very premium zinc alloy. You know, it's not fully plastic. Okay, not bad. Yeah, USB-C here, and then another side I think is lightning. Yeah, this is the lightning side, this is the USB type side. Okay, and the price, well, I got this for 26 ringgit, and just now I checked the price again. It dropped down to 20 ringgit now. Yeah, they do promotion from time to time. I'll put the link down below, or you will see the product tab showing up. If you want to buy it, click the link. It's an affiliate link. I can earn a bit of commission to help out the channel. So this is my charging station. A bit messy, I know. Please bear with me. Okay, this is my Apple Watch Series 7 41mm. Gonna test it out. And this is USB Type-C. I'm gonna plug it into the Type-C port. Okay, plug in. Okay, the moment of truth. Okay, it works. It works flawlessly. Immediately you detect it, and right now it's charging. Pretty good, pretty good. So now we know the USB Type-C is working. Let's move it to the lightning connector port. This is the lightning connector. I'm sure you can see. Alright, plug it on this side. Okay, that's it. It works fine. Immediately it will detect it. Okay, personally I prefer the USB Type-C because it's plugged in more smoothly compared to the lightning one, but the lightning one is tighter. The USB Type-C is a bit looser, but it's not a big of a deal. This is easier to go in and plug it out. Yeah. Alright, so that's the testing. So this is how you charge it when lying flat. Okay, yeah, not bad. It's very portable, very lightweight. The whole thing, I think, is like maybe 10 grams. And that's the unboxing and hands-on, I guess, first impression, whatever you call it. Yeah, ESSAGER 5 watts, Apple wireless charging. Alright, so thanks for watching. Remember to keep a thumbs up, subscribe, comment down in the comment section below, share this video to your friends and family, and I will see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.